Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at two little kind of keychain knives. These are the SOG Centi 1 and Centi 2. And they're both kind of small. Well, this one's an extra small, like petite knife. And this one is just not an enormous knife, sort of pocket knife size, maybe a little smaller. Let's take a look at these. Alright, so the Centi 1, let's see, it's got a knife blade. It's made of, let's see, it weighs 0.4 ounces, has an overall length of 3.4 inches, and a 1.4 inch blade length. And the steel is 3CR13, which is kind of okay steel. And these apparently have a lifetime warranty. Now, the interesting thing about this is it is super light. I mean, it's like, I doubt it's an ounce on this card. And the other thing is, they're pretty cheap. This was like $9, and this was like $13. Oh, this one, it's 1.3 ounces, so it's a little bit more, it's a little bit heavier. It's 5 inches overall with a 2.1 inch blade. And again, it's 3CR13 steel. So let's open these things up and take a look at them. Alright. How do we attack this? Maybe like so. Maybe not like so. How on earth? I fear I'm losing the battle. Shouldn't be that hard to get this knife out. Ah, there we go. I think I got it. Didn't get it. Maybe I got it. Oh, man. Alright. This must be like child-proof packaging or something. It's thwarting me. Wow. What on earth is going on here? Alright. There's more than one way to skin a child-proof package. I feel like in the battle between me and this package, the package won. Alright. So finally, there's the remnants of that battle. Alright, okay. So here's the knife. So it's a little bitty baby knife. And no lock or anything. It's not bad. You see how sharp it is. In case you ever need to protect yourself from a post-it note. It's kind of not really super sharp. Doesn't do bad. I mean, I guess for comparison. So, it does okay. I think it would do fine as a little keychain knife. Maybe occasionally opening a package or an envelope or a box, that kind of thing. It's little bitty. It reminds me of the Spyderco Bug. Let me see if I have one of those. I don't have one of those within reach. But it's like the little bitty Spyderco knife. It's about like that big. Alright, let's take a look at the bigger. Let's take a look at its bigger brother, the Centi 2. Alright. I kind of feel like using scissors on this is admitting defeat starting out, but I also don't want to take forever opening this stupid package. So I'll just scissor it and it'll be done. Alright. Might have been what I should have done with the first one. Okay. With the exception of having to use scissors, that was surprisingly easy. Okay, so the Centi 2 is a lock blade. And it's got a little lock. Look right there. Alright. Not bad. Let's see how it fares in the battle versus Post-it notes. If it's any sharper. Okay, that's not bad. Maybe they got a little bit more of an edge on this one. Okay, both of them are light, and you kind of have like the cutout of the blade here. So I think if I were to pick, I'd pick this one, the Centi 2. It just seems to be a little bit. There's a little bit more to it, and it's still not like. It's not so heavy, it's a burden to have. This is kind of one of those little keychain knives, or if you want to stick it in like an Altoids tin or something and forget about it. Although, I think this would fit in an Altoids tin too. And this might be a better choice because it's a relatively flat knife. Anyway, something to think about. If you're putting together some kind of like Altoids tin kit, this might not be a bad addition as a little knife. Anyway, let me know what you think. Are these knives too small to be useful? Or, oh, by the way, this one's like 13 bucks, so it's not a bad deal for the knife. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if there's anything you think I should check out, let me know in the comments. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.